waze wanedrama uMakathandona. Yo. Ake guys, isencane lengane season 6 episode 1 is back. It's back with the bang, and I want us to speak about a scene that happened. So uMakathando actually calls bebize meeting noPinky. uPinky is basically u-auntie kaThando. So bebize umhlangano noPinky, and then uPinky mekefika ufika no baba kaThando and I don't know another lady, kusho ukuthi it's a relative, abantu bakwaThabethe. Basically there was 3 of them. Makathando uhlezi nomngane wakhe. Mina ngibone nje kusaqalwa ngomngane wakhe ukuthi kuzoshuba la. Umngane wakhe engathi uzidakelwe and ingathi uphuzele bona nje straight. Ngimbonile ebusweni ukuthi yey uze ngedrama ke lo. Anyway, and then mebengena ke ulokhuzana uMakathando athi Pinky bengicele umhlangano nawe. Why songizela nalabantu? Because bengifuna ukukhuluma nawe straight. Amangala uPinky ukuthi like hayibo, why kanti like why kunenkinga mengiza with my family? Yini lena engako ungakwazi uyikhuluma in front of my family, because vele mokunomhlangano like it's just a normal thing to take your family along with you. Isuke lapho ke uMakathando athi wePinky ngithe ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe. So bengicela ubaba kaThandona angiphumele ngomnyanga nolosisi aze naye angiphumele sikhulume nawe. So basically uMakathando ufuna ukukhuluma noPinky ayi-1. Yena that time uhlezi nomngane wakhe and yambona ukuthi umngane wakhe yey ulinde isikhathi sakho ukuthi zisuke nje. So anyway uPinky athi no, like bengicela ukuthi this is my family. Bengicela ukuthi njengoba unesicelo ukuthi ufuna ukukhuluma nami ngiyi-1, nami nginesicelo ukuthi cela ukhulume lento ufuna ukuyikhuluma while my family is here. And I think that was a good decision because uMakathando and her friend, the way, hey guys, the way benze umsindo ngakhona, I was like if uPinky besale la eyi-1 bebezombhahaza or something, angazi, because nomngane wakhona yey. Anyway, uMakathando then iphume, then kube ne-argument right there, and then indaba yokuthi like ubaba kaThando uthanda uzifaka like waye lana ntontoni, and then ulokhuzana uMakathando basically uyasho utshela uPinky ukuthi ufuna i-DNA. Bamangala i-DNA yani? Athi cela wenze i-DNA nengane yami sibone ukuthi wakaThabethe na. So basically uMakathando is basically saying ukuthi yena she knows ubaba kaThando from a while back, and labe bahlala khona she never knew ukuthi ubaba kaThando had a sister. It was only boys that were growing up at that house. So now maybe sithi ubaba kaThando unosisi like usisi oqhamukapi basically. So she's basically saying ukuthi ubaba kaThando noPinky bayathandana and there's something okushaya amanzi between them two, but they lying and then saying ukuthi uPinky is from the family yakwaThabethe. So bazama ukuchaza ukuthi uthi bahlobene kanjani, but uMakathando was basically saying ukuthi uPinky must do a DNA test to see if uhlobene na noThando, because she says that uPinky uthukana naye. Pinky goes around emthuka inhlamba, angazi akasho ukuthi vele ukuthi yini lento uPinky ayenzile that she wants a DNA test. Mara yenza sense ukuthi why does she want a DNA test? Like asazi iphume inhlamba kungene nomngane wakhe, umngane kaMakathando angene abathuke bamthuka uPinky bathi hey wena washiywa ibhanoyi. Angazi ukuthi inhlamba enjani ke leyo, athi washiywa ibhanoyi, hey wena sakusiza. Like indaba yakhona, idrama yakhona guys was so useless, but everyone was just like uMakathando like idrama yani, ubiza umhlangano nomuntu then niphuzile nina, yini lena serious enifuna ukukhuluma, and like why must you drink for umuntu? ukuze ukuthi ukhulume naye. Kusho ukuthi vele they wanted idrama. Nomngane wakhe le hey lo wasisi yathukana, hey unedrama. I was just like, yo, uMakathando, like why enza idrama like out of nothing? No Pinky there, she responds. uMakathando angithi bebephuza ama-drinks ke, bebephuza iphantsi or something, I don't know. Watela ulokhuzana uPinky with that drink bekayiphuza, and then it was just a big drama, guys. And Pinky was saying that, yeah, like that time basherisha lipstick ka 15 rand and like bazomtshelani, so I do feel like ulokhuzana uMakathando feels like uPinky umthathela kancane, umbhekela phansi, because she did say ukuthi Pinky thinks ukuthi like yena uMakathando is like nothing and umbhekela phansi, and the way she speaks to her angazi ukuthi uyithathaphi. But basically, like they were saying, uPinky, she's a fake, and I'm just like, it looks like they are jealous of uPinky, and like I don't know like where it's coming from. I don't know where it's coming from. I'm just like, angaz. But to Makathando, like, we just like, like, le drama ayikhozi was so unnecessary. The energy of fighting one another, they could take that energy and go and fight to Siyacela. That is the energy that they're supposed to use fighting Siyacela. Not over silly things, over DNA test for what? Because if it comes out, like, guys, like, it doesn't even make sense. So anyway, uMakathando angazi if befuna ukubukwa or she wanted to prove a point, angazi. Mara they badala for lento abayenzayo, and uMakathando, I don't know. She just uvele wabukeka ngenye indlela, and it did not look nice. It did not look nice. But anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like this video. Please do subscribe. This for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.